How to get a loan for your spa and beauty business. If you own a salon, spa, or beauty service business, you know that keeping up with client demand often means investing in new equipment, products, or even additional staff. And that takes funding. Our team has helped fund beauty industry businesses from small one chair salons to multi location spas. We are independent brokers, not part of David Allen Capital. But we work with them because they've consistently gotten our clients the best offers quickly and with minimal hassle. David Allen Capital partners with multiple lenders to find your best deal, often approving the same day and funding in 24 to 48 hours. They also have a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another lender gives you a better offer, they'll match it or give you $500. They've never had to pay it out because their deals are that strong and competitive. If you've been in business at least 6 months, have a steady revenue, and your bank statements look good, you may qualify, even with average credit. So, if you're ready to grow your business or cover expenses without waiting weeks for a bank decision, click the link in the description below. Watch the founder's message and try to apply now and see if you can get funding in as little as 1 to 2 business days. Good luck!